Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and I would like to talk about the US dollar, Canadian dollar, and what is the trading plan heading into the next week's trading. And it all starts with the move after Bank of Canada. Now the move after Bank of Canada was let's say a spike from the 120 area, 120.50 area, all the way up to 1.23 and 1.24 almost, and this has acted as a pivotal level, because by the time it has been broken, it has been retested and only acted as a strong support. Now, as you can see, it has been broken and then retested here. So actually this was a very good place to buy call options. This was another very good place to buy call options as well. This was another very great place to buy call options as well, and so on and so forth. Now, what does it mean? Judging by the price structure that we see in here, in this move to the upside, I would say that this is nothing but a running correction. But running correction, it can only be a running variation of a contracting triangle that starts from the left side here and ends on the right side. Now, what does it mean? First of all, it means that this is wave A. I would go with the B wave all the way to here, with the C wave to the downside into here, A, B, C, D, E, and the triangle is completed. Let me make this one a bit of a different color, like this, and then to go and take the B to D trend line from here to here, like this. And in this arrangement we have a problem, because the B to D trend line cannot be pierced by any parts of the C wave or the E wave to follow. Therefore, if this is A, B, C, D, E, we can see that the B to D trend line is being pierced here by parts of the C wave to the downside. It means that our D wave goes all the way to here, and if this is the D wave, then definitely this is the E wave in here, like this, and we need to rearrange the whole system. Now rearranging it goes like this. So this will be A, B, C, D, E, and everything looks good in this arrangement, with the exception that the E wave here is piercing the trend line. Therefore, our E wave goes in here, small consolidation, all the rules respected by the time the B to D trend line is being broken, and this is our triangle. Now let's make it a bit bigger and copy the line from here to here, and normally we need to have a contracting triangle, but a contracting triangle, as a running variation of a contracting triangle, implies that the line should converge towards one single point. In this case, you have no convergence, because if the A and C trend line should be like this, then the whole triangle or the whole point should be like this, and therefore there is not a contracting triangle. So the whole scenario of a running variation of a contracting triangle, which by the way needs to be a topish formation, falls down just like that. So what I'm trying to say here is that we should not look for a top, but we should look only for more continuation. The thing is that the move that started from this consolidation area to the upside is a move that it is forming three equally important legs, or let's say not equally important, equal legs, from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here, and consolidation of the same degree are almost the same, which points towards a corrective wave that should be followed by a triangle. So on the US dollar, Canadian dollar heading into next week, what I would like to do is only to buy call options, as this triangle should break to the upside. So normally this area in here would be a nice area to buy call options. So below 27 and into 27.60, let's say. Ideally to come after Tuesday or until Tuesday, let's say, because after Tuesday it should break higher. So still more strength after we downplayed the running variation of a contracting triangle. Still more strength for the US dollar, Canadian dollar. So the trading plan is to buy call options by the time price moves below 1.27 and into 1.26, let's say 50 area, with end of week or month expiration date. Well, if anyone is giving you or is willing to give you 80% rate of return on an investment on a monthly basis, then this should be just fine. Thank you very much for being here. It's fairbinaryoptions.com. A bit of a complex analysis for the US dollar, Canadian dollar, but nevertheless a bullish one. Bye bye.